Are you looking experienced engineering team? Build your dream house? So you come to the right place. We have a higher skilled architecture engineer, civil engineer, electric engineer, sanitary and plumbing engineering team. We always try to give quality footwork all our clients. We are a specialist any types of RCC building, apartment building, hotel and restaurant building and others type of building. Hi, I am Engineer Milon. I am experienced civil engineer. I have 8 years experience in this field. Well, I am new here in Upwork, but I have a real world work experience. Already we are complete many projects, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, South Africa, France and United States. We already complete 500 plus projects in Bangladesh. You will happy to know we have an engineering firm in our country. You can search on Google or YouTube our company name United Architect and Engineering. You can see there are many types of our projects, many videos in Google and YouTube. While we are special from others, we have an experienced engineering team, friendly customer support, good communication skill, 24 by 7 hours online, unlimited revision. So why you are wait? Just click on order button and place order and work with us. Thank you.